Okay, in the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and most compassionate. Dear students, we are going to start the next menu, which is called Formula. But before I'm going to start my video, try to subscribe our channel Multi Skills Learn Academy. If you have any problems, because we are going to record other videos like networking and hacking in Linux and Unix server and graphic designing, I'm going to make a new videos. For more suggestion, if you have more suggestion, any comments, then try to write in the comment. So we are going to start from the first one. We have formula. So these are called functions. In function, I will record it individual menu, which is related with university in the financial accounting. We are going to start from manage. The first one, if you want to work on the manage, first make item table. For example, I'm going to write item. Here I'm going to write price, then for example quantity, then total, right? Make a proper table, then write here item, for example TV, DVD, RAM and computer and HDD. This table should be copied from here. Like for example, I'm going to copy this one, Control C in here, Control V paste, and double click, the selection will be closed. So mention in here in this table, for example, mention the whole price, with the price in here you should mention all of them. Then select Y. Look at, don't come to the first table. If you want to work this table, so it means you will create a two table. In the first table, mention on the price, select define name, the first one, then select number two, define, then select number three, come to define, then select number four, again define, then select number five and click on the define. So when I'm going to define these all prices, then in the name manager they will show you all the item which is available with you in the table. So they will show you in here, just like as a list they will show you in here. Clear? So what does it mean? So why I define all the prices? In here it is more easy. If someone want to buy, for example, TV, they are going to write equal TV, automatically the price will come. Equal, for example, I'm going to mention here equal DVD, then equal a RAM, for example, then equal, mention equal computer, right? The price will be included in equal HDD, right? So automatically the price will come in here. If you don't like from here, there is a simple way use in formula. Like for example, I want to know the computer price, so these are the list available. Clear? Just one click, then enter, the price will be shown. If someone say what is the difference between formula and here price, in here you should apply the function. Like for example, there is a difference between function and formula. One day I will record a video about this one, that what is the difference between function and formula. In the price you should mention equal TV, so the price will be coming automatically. But in here all the list is available in use in formula. You just click one of them, like for example RAM, then click, automatically the price will come. Look at here, if I'm click, the price will be automatically. So what is, okay, create from selection means, like for example I'm going to create all of them, and then click on the create from selection, then okay, then yes, three times yes, then okay. What does it mean, sir? If I'm in sheet number 4 or 3 and I'm going to find TV price, then write TV in here from the second sheet, automatically that will be coming to the first one. In the next one, okay, someone want to buy TV and the price is 234 and he want or he need 30. So I want to know the price of 30. If it means if one TV price is 234, so what about 30? Equal 30, then click on the which one. Here like we have a different function, like you can apply multiply. Clear? You can apply multiply in here, skip this one and delete, right? The first one equal, in here equal, this quantity will be multiplied by price, so the automatically the price will be coming here. Clear? Equal quantity multiply by price, so the price will be shown in here. So the next one is stress precedent and deep precedent. What does it mean, sir? Like we have two organization. The first one, like for example, salary in here, number two here. So I mentioned here different type of salary which the staff or employees is working with you. In the second one also mention the second salary, right? There is a second salary which I'm going to mention, right? I'm going to mention in here again. So I'm standing here, look at it, equal, this salary will be plus, if you want to take plus or multiply as you wish, plus with this one, then click enter. And after long time, maybe after 3 years, 4 years, you are going to open this balance sheet. So someone say, from where did this number come? And you don't have any specific information, then click on their trace precedent. Automatically they will show you that it means this number will be plus with this one. It means this graph will show you that where it had been plus. Okay, the second person, he was writing here some number and equal this number will be plus with which number, with the last one. Clear? Now I'm telling to the computer, show me the d precedent. Clear? This one is the precedent with plus two salaries, and this one d precedent. Click on this one, so automatically these two number is plus and that number is the total cost of this one. Clear? Remove means should remove all of them, the function which I implemented, remove all of them, then click on this one. The next one we have formula. Show in formula means they will show the exact formula. Like for example, one of the person he want to make a list in here, and you do know that how he implement this formula, then click on the show formula. Automatically look at here, in this table they will show you that equal this salary plus with this one, so it means the exact formula will be shown in this show formula. What does check error means? Error means mistake. Like any kind of mistake if you want to do in here, so they will check your errors. The shortcut keys of this one, people call them spelling and grammar, F7 is for that. Clear? Evaluate formula means show step by step. Like for example, they will evaluate the first one. Click on the evaluate, equal this number plus with this one, and that is the total, right? It means one. In this, if someone say what is the difference between show in formula and evaluate formula, show formula will show you the exact formula which you implement before. In evaluate formula means one by one, step by step they will implement it. Yeah. What does watch window means? Watch window means the important number which I'm going to add, so you can easily add from watch window. Which number is necessary, which one is important, then click on this one, then click on the 8, and I'm going to select this salary, right, and then click 8. Which number is important? If you want to add the important numbers in the watch window, you should add the importance number from here. It means add that number which is more necessary or important. Click again here, like for example in the watch window, again I'm clicking here, click again here. This is the second organization salary, and I'm going to add this one, then click it. Automatically that will be added in here, right? So this one is useful because in the a lot of organization in the NGOs, people is just plus minus their own salary and they want to add their record with the personal record. People call them, they are adding in watch window. The next one is calculate. What does calculate means? I told you before in other videos, if you have for example salary in here, different type of salary you have, and someone say in a few seconds I'm going to calculate all the numbers. How we can calculate? In left top we have alt button press and double equal, all double equal. Clear? So it means all is available in here in the keyboard. Clear? Alt with double equals, automatically that will be calculated. But if you want to implement from the menu, then come to the same. In the same we have a sum, right? Sum means plus. From here you can calculate all the number, the total. Or if you want to do from the keyboard, alt double equal, so that will be plus all or calculate all the number. From here you can also do it. Clear? It's a simple way. Just click here on the same, and then automatically all the number will be calculated in a few seconds. So in here, what is, look at here, if I'm doing for example any changing in here, right now I'm changing, look at in the total cost, it is coming changing. Look at in here, this is the total one. If I'm doing changes, so over there the changing is coming. Look at, if I enter the changes is coming in here. Why? Because if I do changes, so I take the automatically number. Look at here, automatically that is changed. This is the total one. Why it is changed? Because I take automatically. If I'm taking a table, in the table that will be automatically. If I'm taking manual, so in the manual if I'm doing changes, any kind of changes, so right now it is not changed. Why in the total? Because of one reason, because in here we have manual. Manual means like I do not allowed, it means the people who is working in here, that will be not automatically changes, and automatically the all calculation will be counted and they will show you at the end. In manual that will be not acceptable. Clear? So calculate now in calculate sheet. A little bit different between these two. Calculate now will calculate the it means the salary, which is, it means only in one table if you are doing any kind of changes. Like for example, I change in here, I change in here. So this one is like for example, currently in one table, if I calculate now, then click calculate now. So look at the changes in here right now. Clear? In calculate sheet means the last option. If you have 1,000 tables, in the 1,000 table there is a different separation like multiply, divided, increase and decrease if you are doing. So one click in here, they will calculate your all numbers. Clear? So it means that was today the formula from here start in up to ending of calculate sheet. The other function which I left it in here, these are the function which teach at the university. Clear? One of the book by the name of financial accounting and cost of accounting. We are going to teach this one, right? In some of the function which I'm going to mention at the end of your Excel program when I'm going to complete this one. After I'm going to start function, in the function I will mention all of them. Clear? Not at all, because all of them we can complete the, it means the function which is more important in a business. So I will take from here. Clear? So that was today video starting from here up to here. So again, I'm telling to you people, we are going to record this one free of cost for you people. Then try to subscribe our channel Multi Skills Learn Academy. If you have any question and suggestion, or maybe at the end of the video when I'm going to complete MS Excel program, then I'm going to teach you some technical points which is related with courses of Word in Excel, in access some technical points without your courses. Clear? Try to subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thanks a lot.